BMW cars, a symbol of luxury and performance. BMW is a German luxury automaker known for producing high-quality cars with outstanding performance and sleek designs. Founded in 1916, BMW has since become one of the world's leading automobile manufacturers, producing a range of vehicles that cater to different markets and preferences. One of the things that sets BMW apart from other car manufacturers is its commitment to engineering excellence. Every BMW car is designed with precision engineering, using the latest technologies and materials to create a vehicle that is both powerful and efficient. From its engines to its transmissions, suspension systems, and braking systems, every component of a BMW car is optimized to deliver the best possible performance. BMW is also known for its innovative designs, which blend classic elements with modern aesthetics. The iconic BMW kidney grille, for example, is a hallmark of the brand's design language and can be found on every BMW car. Other design features, such as the Hofmeister kink and the L-shaped taillights, are also instantly recognizable and help give BMW cars their unique character.